Made it. What's up? Just got to the Wigwam Resort here for the Syndicate Mastermind. Gonna help out Sean Terry for a couple days. Just hung out with Batch. They got some cool stuff going on, so I can't wait to share all that with you guys and keep you guys in the loop.
Why are you trying to pre-grab the snacks for the guests, man?
Here's the thing, dude, is, you know, part of my contract was Fiji water and these little beef jerky things. I didn't get the Fiji water or the beef jerky things, but I'm still here, so.
I have beef jerky for you. Fiji water, you're on your own.
How is everybody? Good. Morning.
See you.
Morning. Morning.
Great to see you.
Good. You too. You ready?
Hi, how you doing?
How you doing?
Good. What's up, Scott?
What's going on? I like that. I like that shirt. So.
Came in a few days early, did some golfing.
Oh, did you? Yeah. How's the course?
It's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's nothing special, but it's nice.
That's what I want to start doing. So I'm so competitive that if I go golf and I lose, I'm gonna be so pissed. So I'm like, I want to go get lessons. I want to really learn how to do it. And
You have to do it a lot to stay good at it.
yeah, maybe once I get my lessons, next place we go, we'll meet and go golfing, because that'd be fun. You guys ready?
Yeah, I have a couple questions for you. I have saved on my phone, so
Okay.
maybe like towards lunchtime.
Yeah, I'll be here the whole time. I'm not going anywhere. So just hunt me down and we'll do it. Welcome back. Welcome to everyone that has not been in here yet. We're gonna have some fun over the next couple days. Sean will pop in and out. Basically the way it works, we've got our presentations up front and you guys are telling us about your business and any questions, any concerns, anything that is holding you back, anything that you've been successful doing. Those are the type of things we want to hear about. Now, this isn't just one of these rooms where I sit back here and talk the whole time. A mastermind is meant to be collaborative, right? So the goal is for all of us to have conversations, because you're probably going to find out, if you're someone that goes up tomorrow, that a lot of your questions have already been answered today. They've been answered in the other room as we have those conversations as well, because the goal is for you guys to leave here having answers to everything that you guys came with, right? Everything that you said, I don't know how to do A, B, and C, or I'm not as good at as I should be at A, B, and C. And at that point, you guys are going to be able to ask these questions. You guys are going to be able to leave knowing these things that you didn't know, to go home and increase your revenue. You want to have the option to do the things you want to do. That's the whole point in me creating what I did, right? Like, I mean, my business is running while I'm here. I love doing this because I love you guys coming in here and saying, oh my God, we increased our revenue by this much. Like, that's what I want to help do. By setting my business up the way I wanted it to be, that gives me the freedom to go do this. So you want to set your business up to the point where you can go do something that you want to do, and your business doesn't suffer because of it. And Rob and I were having a very similar conversation about some of this stuff earlier, right? It's getting people in place that are better than you in all those positions, so those people can help you do the things you want to do.